Welcome. I'm AJ, and this is Kingdom Touches. Today I am unboxing the Rockwell BladeRunner X2 portable table saw. I have this saw. I already have a table saw that's in my garage space. I bought this table saw to be in my inside creator space, of which around here we call headquarters. There's some things that I want to do with wood, cutting some things down that I don't want to have to go all the way to the garage to do, or be in the garage to do. It is very compact. This is the front. In the front is a little pocket where extra blades go. So this is the Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2. They call it the ultimate cutting machine. It is super portable. It has a hold down guard and splitter that cuts wider material and larger rip fence for better control. I purchased this from Lowe's. Alright, comes with instructions. I have to admit, I don't always read instructions. We'll see. This is the card arm. This is also where this blade goes in. We got a rip fence, which helps you to line up and make straight cuts. Miter gauge. Also help you make safe straight cuts. So this can do rip cutting, which rip cutting is, if you look at this piece of wood, you see the grain is going that way. So if you put your wood through your blade this way, you're cutting with the grain, you are ripping through the wood. If you turn the wood and you're cutting across the grain, it's called cross cutting. So if like we were to cut this piece of wood this way, we would be cross cutting, cutting across the grain. If we cut this way, we would be rip cutting with the grain. This also does, so it says we do rip cuts, we do cross cuts. It also does curve cuts. So it's almost like, it's called a portable table saw, but it more operates like an upside down jigsaw. because table saws use round blades. Jigsaws use blades like this. And this comes with 5 blades. Comes with, I don't know if you can see that, a ceramic blade, a wood cutting smooth blade, a metal cutting blade, a wood cutting scroll blade, so it operates more like a scroll saw, and lastly a blade for aluminum cutting. Had to look at some directions to get this right. Alright, so this on was on. You have these 2 screws with these 2 knobs. So sit the screw in. Enough. Tip up. You see the screws. One right here, one right here. Take the knobs. And tighten down. Now that is secure, not going anywhere. Arm moves back and forth. You want to lock the arm in a specific position. Use that knob right there. Got this other piece here. This is for attaching ducks. Ducks collection. Alright. And I just showed you this knob right here. Just lock this down. This goes down for your height. So you don't want it that much above your wood. Alright. Now let's get the blade in. And like I said before, this is your fence. And your fence helps you to make straight cuts. Now we're gonna put in the blade. I'm going to use the wood cutting smooth blade. So you take this off. I'm going to take y'all down so y'all can see what's happening. I'm going to take this button, and as you see, it turns in there so you can slide the blade in. This red guard is given so you put it over the blade and hold it. That way you're not putting your fingers at risk trying to push the blade. So, push the blade in, let it go. Blade is secure. And as you see, it's like an upside down jigsaw. Alright. And you can let it. There you have it. So then you have your miter gauge. This miter gauge is, if you're doing a 45-degree cut, 60-degree cut, you want to cut on an angle. That's what this is for. Okay. I'll probably make a better one of these. Alright. So I'm going to take it over to my little spot that I do sanding and things down here, and we'll do a cut. Alright, so I have it in this little cove so I don't get wood, dust, and everything everywhere. So I like the saw. It's going to take me a little bit to get used to because it's got some vibration, but it's definitely going to work for what I want it to work for. As you see, got a clean, nice clean straight cut. With this, gotta wear some ear protection and eye protection and all that because it's super loud. But other than that, I would recommend this if you got to do little cuts. Dust collection works pretty well. And again, this is the Rockwell BladeRunner X2. Thank you for watching. See you soon.